Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my platform. I host of this channel. I'm here to present a video on the topic the differences between the mentoric and the submucosal plexus, the two plexus of the enteric nervous system. But before starting the differences, a quick overview of the enteric nervous system is necessary. Enteric nervous system, the nervous system of the gastrointestinal tract, is a subdivision of the autonomic nervous system. It is basically involved in the gastrointestinal tract motility and the secretions. So the subdivision of the autonomic nervous system that is involved in the controlling of the gastrointestinal tract motility and the secretion is called the enteric nervous system. It extends throughout the wall of the GIT. The enteric nervous system is a highly developed open nervous system, and it is involved in the regulation of the local blood flow by controlling the gastrointestinal tract movements and the secretions. If we talk about the component of the enteric nervous system, the principal component of the enteric nervous system are two network or the plexus of both which are embedded in the wall of the GIT. These are called the mentoric plexus and the submucosal plexus. So the enteric nervous system is composed of the mentoric plexus and the submucosal plexus. Mentoric plexus is an outer plexus that mainly control the gastrointestinal tract motility, while the submucosal plexus is basically concerned with the secretion of the gastrointestinal tract. So in this video I'll explain the differences between these two plexus of the enteric nervous system. Mentoric plexus and the submucosal plexus. Mentoric plexus is present in between the longitudinal and the circular muscles, smooth muscle layers. It is an outer plexus that is mainly control the gastrointestinal tract movements. The second plexus that is the component of the enteric nervous system, the submucosal plexus. It lies in the submucosa between the circular muscles and the mucosal layer of the gastrointestinal tract lining or the wall of the gut. The second plexus is the inner plexus. It is the submucosal plexus that lies in the submucosa of the gut. It is mainly concerned with the control of the gastrointestinal tract secretion and the local blood flow. There is the sympathetic and the parasympathetic control of these plexus by the extrinsic nervous system. So stimulation of the sympathetic and the parasympathetic system can greatly enhance or inhibit the gastrointestinal tract functions. Although the mentoric and the submucosal plexus make the nervous control of the gastrointestinal tract, there are some differences between these plexus, which is the key content of this video. Okay, let's start. Mentoric plexus and the submucosal plexus. Mentoric plexus is also called outback plexus, while the submucosal plexus is referred to known as the Meissner's plexus. The alternative name of both the plexus here. The outback plexus is referred to the mentoric plexus, and the Meissner's plexus is the alternative name of the submucosal plexus. The mentoric plexus, it is an extrinsic nerve plexus or an outer plexus of the gastrointestinal tract. The submucosal plexus, it is the inner plexus or can be called the intrinsic nerve plexus. The location of the mentoric plexus, it lies between the longitudinal and the circular smooth muscle layers, while the submucosal plexus lies in the submucosa between the circular smooth muscle and the mucosal layer of the gastrointestinal tract wall. The mentoric plexus consists of the linear chain of the interconnecting neurons. The submucosal plexus is derived from the mentoric plexus, as the mentoric plexus consists of mainly linear chain of the many interconnecting neurons that extend throughout the length of the gastrointestinal tract. The mentoric plexus mainly control the muscle activity along the length of the gut. The submucosal plexus is concerned with controlling the local intestinal secretions and absorption of the intestinal tract. That is the regulation of the gastrointestinal blood flow. The mentoric plexus can be excitatory or inhibitory, while the submucosal plexus is only the excitatory, as it there is the secretion of the acetylcholine. Mentoric plexus is also involved in the control of the tonic and rhythmic contractions. The submucosal plexus controls the epithelial cell functions. So these are the main or the primary differences of both the network or the plexus of the enteric nervous system. Thank you very much.